Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Karibuni sana. If you're new here, hi, karibu sana. So on today's video, as you can read from the title, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your condiments. So if you're asking yourself what is a condiment are the fruits or vegetables that are used to make your cocktail more delicious, okay? So I know you're probably wondering, kwani lazima niweke hizi ma orange seli zirusha tu hapo hivyo ka lemon urushe? No, actually there's a procedure that you must follow, not must, but there's a procedure that you have to cut with to make it look more fancy. So if you're interested in this video, let's get to the video. Starting off with a lime, you want to divide it into two. Do not divide it where there are two scars, so divide it horizontally. You want to get 3 wedges from each half, so in total you're going to get 6 wedges. All my surfaces are clean. I'm using a table here because I was at work. Then yeah, so I'm going to repeat for you guys with another lime so that you can get the whole concept. Remember to tilt your knife to get the perfect wedge. Next, we're going to be doing the lemon. So you want to split on both sides where there are two scars, leaving a sort of cylinder shape. Then you want to divide that shape into two to get 2 half cylinders, okay? So from there, you want to divide into small semicircles. So you try and make them as similar in size as possible. So I'm going to do this for the rest of the lemon, and yeah, that's how you chop your lemons. Next is the orange. So for the orange, you do the same things as the lemon. So as you can see here, I'm just splitting it into two, leaving me with 2 cylinders. Then I want to split into equal semicircles. Next is the cucumber. So what you want to do is split again both sides where we have scars. Then you want to sort of like strip down so that you can form a very nice pattern. So as you can see, I'm stripping down. After you have achieved your desired pattern, you want to cut it into circles from the top to the bottom, and there you can see the zebra shape that I was going for, rather pattern for lack of a better word. So you want to cut the slices not too thin, not too thick, just the right size. For the strawberry, you want to start off by cutting the top where there are leaves. Then you want to divide it into two, then divide it into two again, as you can see. So I want to get 4 pieces. Okay, so you'll do this for all the other strawberries and get your desired condiments. All I had for you today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, share with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, tap the bell notification to get notified every single time I post. Until next time, bye guys. Yes, toodles.